Oh, where is it? Where is it? Jason.
I don't know.
Okay.
Hai semuanya, gimana kabar kalian? Jadi kali ini gue bakal urut cerita film The English Teacher, yang dimana pemeran utama dari film ini adalah Juliana Moore sebagai Linda. Oke, tanpa berlama-lama lagi, siapkan diri kalian dan putar intronya. Cerita dimulai dengan sekolah yang baru saja bubar dan ini adalah Linda, seorang guru di sekolah itu. Saat Linda sendirian, dia dihampiri oleh seseorang dan itu adalah Jason, mantan muridnya.
New York.
No, I don't anymore. My dad, he works at the hospital and I really rather not.
I have a clean towel in the trunk. I could get that.
Dan Jason ini adalah seorang penulis yang berencana untuk berhenti.
At NYU, is that right?
Dramatic writing. Never. But I don't know. I really believed in it.
Well, of course you did. What? Oh no.
Yeah, so I'm probably gonna do that.
Karena Linda penasaran dengan tulisannya, dia pun meminta Jason untuk mengantarkannya ke sekolah.
You've all finished A Tale of Two Cities.
Because he does it for Lucy. Even though she married another...
No, I'm not a writer. Yes, Will?
I'm sorry,
But he dies for a noble cause. Now, this is something, please. No, class, I have a surprise for you.
sorry about that. Why you and she's up there with the best.
Malamnya, Linda membaca tulisan yang dibuat oleh Jason dan ternyata dia sangat menyukai ceritanya.
Oh, hi. Hi.
I loved it. It's not being nice. I'm being honest, and I can't bear the thought that no...
I have to let it go.
Begitupun dengan Carol, teman Linda di sekolah yang merupakan guru drama di sekolah itu.
I know that, Carl's character, he can come on a little strong, but
Carl, can you wait a minute?
I can't wait. I've just had the most... It's my story. The boy wrote it for me.
I know.
Wait, we should use that for the posters. The design, I'm picturing a sort of neo-Edwardian German... I've harvested a bountiful and talented crop of actors this year. I'm supposed to direct the importance of being earnest, fresh. It's new.
Tapi dua guru lainnya tidak menyetujui naskah itu dijadikan pementasan di sekolahnya.
Phil would be happy if we put on Our Town twice.
Ernest as the play.
Trudy.
Asks.
It was in the traditional Japanese. No, it was about an American buffalo.
That's what it's called.
Dan mereka akan setuju kalau endingnya diganti. Karena ending yang ada di cerita itu sangat tidak pantas untuk murid SMU.
Obviously, we tone all of that down. That goes without...
Do a bug monster? What is that? This is not Broadway.
Oh, it's dark. Ending.
It's poetry. It's Ibsen.
It's a lost.
Yes. Yes, it could heighten...
I want it in writing.
Oh, God, I'll have to stop.
Explain this to Jason.
Very simply, don't, because...
Lalu Linda bertemu dengan Jason untuk menandatangani surat kontrak. Tanpa dibaca terlebih dahulu, Jason pun langsung menandatangani surat itu.
Everything okay?
Believe me, I do. I would just rather it be...
I read the play. I know where this came from.
I feel like I'm signing my soul away.
Besoknya, Carol memperkenalkan pemeran-pemeran yang akan memainkan dramanya.
And now, Mr. Sherwood. Hallie.
What inspired you?
Yeah. On page 50... Life bottling up everything he feels, that's why...
Any other comments? Wonderful.
Lalu setelah itu mereka pun berlatih memainkan dramanya.
Tree that I... What?
Carl, could I have...
Kemudian tak lama datang ayah Jason yang ingin berbicara dengan Jason.
What is going on here?
This is really none of
You finally show up, and what do? Do you show any appreciation? Men like him
Please,
before
you
the
don't have to-
alpha male. You may fool most people. Oh, jeez.
Lalu Linda membawa Jason ke ruangan kelasnya.
Oh, I found it.
We got it in like 10 minutes.
Okay. Here you...
Thank you.
I'm just glad I have that bottle.
Since my mother.
Karena kelasnya lagi sepi, mereka pun melakukan adegan pengencrotan.
I don't know.
Setelah kejadian itu, Linda merasa berdosa dan berbicara kepada Jason untuk melupakan kejadian itu.
Yes, sure. Shall we?
Well, we're both adults, and while it is
No, not at all.
because of the play, the head from now on in, Will nails that funeral speech in Act 2.
Thank you.
Let's do it.
Besoknya, Linda melihat Jason dan Haley bermesraan, dan itu membuat Linda cemburu. Lalu Linda melabrak Haley dengan omongan untuk tidak bermesraan lagi dengan Jason.
I want to tell you what a fantastic job you're doing as Jane. Anything to jeopardize that.
Whoa, wait.
You're with him lately has been a little inappropriate.
What haven't done?
Now, I understand that you want to pursue full men who may be interested in you for reasons other act is why you need to stay away from Jason. Well, that's the world in which we live.
I wish it worked.
Oh,
Tak lama setelah itu, Linda melihat Jason dan Haley yang sedang ciuman.
permanent record.
Linda, just relax.
No, you can forget about.
Kemudian Jason mengejar Linda. Saat di parkiran mereka berantem karena Jason mengatakan kejadian haram yang sudah mereka lakukan. Tak sadar ternyata omongan mereka berdua ada yang merekam. Besoknya Linda ditertawakan oleh semua siswa di sana karena videonya yang sudah disebarkan. Lalu Linda menuduh Haley yang sudah menyebarkan gosip murahan tentang dirinya dan Jason.
In Sherwood in the boys' dressing room. That's why.
Ow! The back and him. Messing around with one of our kids? No, we gotta clean this mess up before it gets any worse. These types, well, rehearsal's gonna wait. Seems
Jealous because he's with me now.
So you admit it.
Oh,
Merasa dipitnah, Haley pun menunjukkan video Linda dan Jason yang sedang berantem di parkiran.
No, you'd rather have a quick.
Oops.
Told you.
You hear me? You are fired, lady!
I trusted you, and you sat there and you lied to my.
Saat mengendarai mobil, Linda menabrak kotak surat kabar, dan itu membuat ia harus dirawat di rumah sakit.
Ma'am, you've been.
Dan ternyata dokter yang merawatnya adalah ayahnya Jason.
Still in shock.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Okay. Here. Something we have to ask in the hospital.
Lalu Linda memberitahu ayahnya Jason kalau dia pernah melakukan pengencrotan dengan anaknya.
Can we be done now?
No. You're the one who brought it up.
No, don't you have something in...
Saat di rumah, Linda merasa menyesal dengan apa yang telah terjadi. Dan lebih buruknya lagi, dia dipecat di sekolahnya. Lalu datang kepala sekolah untuk memberitahu kalau Carol jatuh sakit. Oleh sebab itu, Linda harus kembali ke sekolah untuk menyelesaikan persiapan pementasan dramanya.
I know where I'm headed with this.
no, Trudy, no, forget it. I'm not
You're
doing.
gonna really sit back and let everyone else pay for your mistake.
I'm gonna think about it.
Besoknya, Linda pun kembali ke sekolah.
Miss Sinclair is gonna take over from here on out.
Dianggap kalau ending yang dibuat oleh Carol konyol, para pemeran pun merasa tidak puas.
We want Jason back. Not you, you bitch.
Lalu Linda mendatangi Jason yang masih marah karena ending naskahnya yang harus diubah. Dan Jason terlihat tidak terima dengan semua itu. Karena Jason tidak mau membuat ending yang baru, Linda pun mencoba membuat ending baru versi dia sendiri. Hari pementasan pun tiba dan para pemeran terlihat sedang siap-siap dan berdoa. Acara pun dimulai dengan pementasan yang sangat menakjubkan. Dan pementasan itu ditonton oleh Jason dan ayahnya. Tapi Jason merasa kecewa karena endingnya yang harus diganti.
It's not destroyed. It's still your place. Please don't let my mistakes stand.
Tapi itu semua ternyata dapat respon yang sangat baik dari para penonton. Dan akhirnya Linda pun kembali menjadi guru di sekolahnya. Kemudian di ending terlihat Linda yang mulai menyukai ayahnya Jason, begitupun sebaliknya.
Be honest with you about something? I understand it was one of those things or whatever, but
Linda!
you look great.
Film pun tamat.